Okay guys, let's check can or can't for ability. Okay, affirmative. I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, they can. Okay, for example, parrots can talk. They have the ability to talk. Kangaroos can jump. They have the ability to jump. Humans can jump too. Cheetahs can run very fast. They are able to run fast. Some people can run very fast too. Dolphins can swim. Many people can swim too. What happens with the negative? Instead of can, I'm using I can't. You can't. He can't. She can't. It can't. We can't. You can't. They can't. This is a contraction for cannot. For example, parrots can't swim. They are not able, they don't have the ability to swim. Kangaroos can't talk. They don't have the ability to talk. Dolphins can't run. They don't have the ability to run. Elephants can't jump. Let's check interrogative. Can I? Can you? Can he? Can she? Can it? Can we? Can you? And can they? So notice how we change the can in the beginning of the question. And then we continue with the subject pronoun. How do we answer? Can I? Yes, you can. Or no, you can't. Can he, she, or it? Yes, he, she, or it can. No, he, she, it can't. Can we? Yes, we can. Can you? No, you can't. Can they? No, they can't. So let's see some examples. Can dolphins swim? Yes, they can. Can elephants jump? No, they can't. Can kangaroos fly? No, they can't. Can parrots talk? Yes, they can. Okay. Asking for permission with can or can't. For example, can I clean the blackboard, please? I'm asking for permission to clean the blackboard. Can I open the window, please? Can I sharpen my pencil, please? Can I go to the toilet, please? Remember that when we use can or can't, we need the subject pronoun she, then can, and then the verb. She can sing. Or the negative, instead of can, we're using can't. I can't play the guitar. The pronunciation is can, can't. This one is a bit longer. For questions, you always have to begin with can, and then the subject pronoun, then the verb, and the object. For example, can you speak French fluently? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can she build websites? Yes, she can. No, she can't. Can you use computers well? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Okay, guys, that's it. See you later.